The institutional beginnings of the development of higher education in natural sciences and mathematics dates back to 1954, when the faculties of philosophy and agriculture were established in Novi Sad. On the 22nd of May 1969, the Council of the Faculty of Philosophy enacted a decision to establish the Faculty of Sciences from the Department of Natural Sciences and Mathematics at the Faculty of Philosophy, and the Parliament of the Autonomous Province of Vojvodina ratified this decision on the 9th of July the same year. Professor Mirko Stojković was the first dean of the newly founded faculty. In 1989, the newly built Blue Building on the university campus provided home for studying natural sciences in Novi Sad. Consequently, the Faculty of Sciences integrated the 5 departments: Department of Biology and Ecology, Department of Physics, Department of Geography, Tourism and Hotel Management, Department of Chemistry, Biochemistry and Environmental Protection, and the Department of Mathematics and Informatics. Today, the faculty has around 6,000 registered students and almost 400 professors and associates, some being distinguished members of the Serbian Academy of Sciences and Arts, as well as the Academy of Sciences and Arts of Vojvodina. The Department of Physics conducts academic studies in physics at all study levels, including the vocational studies of optometry, the first and only vocational studies of this type in the region. The department comprises 5 chairs: experimental condensed matter physics, physical electronics, nuclear physics, theoretical physics, and general physics and physics teaching methodology. Graduate students can find employment in a broad range of professional fields: in scientific research and development institutes, company development divisions, quality control, aerospace industry, medical industry, in companies that rely on measurement and development of measurement methodologies, astronomical observatories, planetariums, hospitals, schools, banks, meteorological observatories, institutes for environmental protection, in public governmental sector and modern industry in general. Scientific research is conducted in laboratories, which make the integral part of the work of all chairs: the Laboratory for Gamma Spectrometer and Source Activity Calibration, Laboratory for Radioactivity and Dose Measurements. Students of meteorology are given the opportunity to apply the acquired knowledge through the work on numerical weather prediction models on the computer cluster. The department cooperates with many international institutes worldwide, which is another confirmation of the quality of the research work and projects implemented at the department. The teaching and scientific work of the Department of Chemistry, Biochemistry and Environmental Protection is organized in 7 chairs: Analytical Chemistry, Biochemistry and Chemistry of Natural Products, Physical Chemistry, Chemical Technology and Environmental Protection, Chemistry Teaching Methodology and Chemical Education, General and Inorganic Chemistry, and Organic Chemistry. Teaching is conducted at all study levels: bachelor, master, specialized and doctoral academic studies. Graduate students acquire the necessary theoretical knowledge and practical skills to work in a wide range of laboratories, depending on the narrow field of specialization: industrial chemical laboratories, chemical laboratories dealing with analysis and environmental quality control, in clinical, development and scientific research laboratories, in scientific institutes and educational sector. Moreover, they can find work in many private and public companies, in vocational and grammar schools, health institutes, public inspection agencies, in consulting services, as well as in the non-governmental sector. Teaching is carried out in 24 teaching laboratories. The Center of Excellence for the Environmental Chemistry and Risk Assessment, CECRA, was established in 2006. The department is known as a socially responsible institution with recognized achievements in scientific, educational and professional field. Department of Mathematics and Informatics conducts education through its 10 existing chairs: Chair for Analysis, Probability and Differential Equations, Functional Analysis, Geometry and Topology, Information Technology and Systems, Mathematical Logic and Discrete Mathematics, Numerical Mathematics, Algebra and Theoretical Computer Science, Applied Algebra, Applied Analysis, Computer Science and the Chair of Theoretical Foundations of Computer Science. After their studies and depending on the field of specialization, students are able to find work in schools, faculties, scientific research centers, stock exchange markets, banks, insurance companies, governmental administrative bodies, agencies dealing with public opinion research, modern industry and software houses. Department staff are engaged in a large number of scientific and teaching projects, including international ones. The Center for Mathematical Research in Nonlinear Phenomenon was established in 2008 and is very active in the field of knowledge transfer and organizing international scientific conferences and summer schools for young researchers. The Laboratory for Development of Information System works on developing and maintaining the faculty's own information system, which provides support to the work of administrative units. The Innovation Center for Electronic Libraries and Archives is active since 2007 and primarily deals with the development of the library software system called BISIS. The Department of Biology and Ecology has 7 chairs and conducts education in botany, microbiology, zoology, animal physiology, ecology and environmental protection, human biology and methodology of teaching biology and biochemistry, and molecular biology and genetics. Teaching is conducted at all academic study levels, undergraduate, master, doctoral, as well as integrated studies. The diversity of study programs available at the department qualifies students to embark on various careers as teachers in primary, grammar and other secondary schools, as well as other vocational schools, in scientific institutions, applied developmental research laboratories in the sector of agriculture, in veterinary services, forestry, medical institutions, institutions dealing with ecology and environmental protection, both in the country and abroad. Besides considerable achievements in fundamental research, since 2000 the department has established research and developmental laboratories which are well networked with other institutions, focusing on finding concrete solutions in the field of applied biology and ecology. Laboratory for Paleontology, Laboratory for Ecotoxicology, LECOTOX, Lecotox, the Laboratory for Invasive and Allergic Plants, Center for the Balkan Biodiversity Conservation, CBBC. The BUNS Herbarium is the only internationally registered herbarium in Vojvodina and one of the 3 in Serbia, which currently numbers almost 200,000 voucher specimens. An important aspect of students' engagement is their active participation in the work of the Josip Pančić Scientific Research Society of the Students of Biology, which was founded back in 1973 and officially started working in 1983. The Night of Biology is an increasingly popular event promoting science, which was created by the department and held for the first time back in 2011. The Department of Geography, Tourism and Hotel Management is a complex, technically well-equipped department comprising 8 chairs. Chair of Physical Geography, Social Geography, Regional Geography, Geoecology, Tourism, Hotel Management, Hunting Tourism and Chair of Gastronomy. After finishing their studies, students can find work in hotels, tourist agencies, tourist organizations, hunting grounds, in the Provincial Secretariat for Agriculture, Forestry and Water Management, Provincial Institutes for Nature Protection, the Fruška Gora National Park and air companies. The Center for Climate and Hydrological Research was founded in 2008 and is engaged in collecting, processing, analyzing and publishing the climate and hydrological data. The focal investigation area of the center covers the territory of the Republic of Serbia, as well as the climate and hydrological characteristics of the countries in the region, in collaboration with the relevant local scientists and institutions. The department publishes various periodicals, books, textbooks and other publications in the field of geography and tourism. 3 scientific journals in English language are published regularly. Research Review of the Department of Geography, Tourism and Hotel Management, Geografika Panonica, and the international scientific journal called Tourism. A recent new event in popularizing science is aimed at secondary school pupils and is called Travel, Research and Enjoy. The department is a proud winner of over 150 prizes won by the students of gastronomy in various competitions. Considerable attention is given to student researchers who are active within the Young Researchers Society called Branislav Bukurov and in the local branch of the European Geography Association for Students and Young Geographers, EGEA, in Novi Sad. The Faculty of Sciences in Novi Sad is putting a lot of effort in maintaining the trust of its students, economy and society in general by assuring the quality of its services, keeping the high standards in teaching and education, as well as through active participation in scientific and research projects and networking with national and international institutions. The faculty is devoted to investing in the scientific research laboratories and employment of young experts.